Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel 24 into 7 offshoring.com. So today again we have come up with the interesting topic that is English CZAC translation. CZAC interpretation administrations. English to CZAC interpretation under any condition. Maybe you are combining part of your business with CZAC organization and you need to English to CZAC interpretation. Possibly you are working with CZAC programming or visual creators. You need specialized CZAC interpretation or industry explicit records. Whatever the explanation is your requirement for English to CZAC interpretation is one we can reply. English to CZAC interpretation is not quite possibly the most ordinarily disparate dialects, and you may feel like you have needed to agree to or not exactly experience interpreter with other CZAC interpretation administration. You can be certain that 24 into 7 offshoring.com has an accomplished master interpreter for you, an organization for more than 5,000 around the world. To move begin immediately attempt a free statement administration on the top menu, which gives you a point by point value gauge surprisingly fast. A few ZZAC language translation specifics. Perhaps the most striking contrasts that an expert CZAC interpreter would think about English to CZAC interpretation is not with the linguistic setup, but the instead with sound and accuracy of the word is given sentences. Here are the portion of distinctions. In English, accusation is utilized decently openly to uncensor certain words or expressions. In CZAC, accentuation is incredibly limited and can't be moved or changed for accentuation or communicate. In English, it is entirely expected to see accentuated word in strong prints. Striking prints word are not normal or regular piece of composed CZAC languages. In CZAC, rather than setting accentuation through the accentuation are striking print. The request of CZAC action word objects and articles can be adjusted in a few distinct manners to pass on different accentuation. CZAC is substantially more apprentice with accentuation than English is. To English ears, the CZAC communicated in a language can frequently solid dreary. The use inflection considerably less than the English language. On account of this, English to CZAC interpretation should frequently be read through. An interpreter should regularly figure out the real story or sort out some way to improve the accentuation inside a sentences. They are the sort of subtitles 24 into 7 offshoring.com CZAC interpretation administration knows about the cautions about. In the event that you have explicit inquiries concerning any sort of CZAC archive interpretation, our client support is holding on the live visit alternative, Master CZAC Translation Services. We comprehend that your business is vital to you. Similarly, as we have an enthusiasm for language administrations and CZAC interpretation, that is the reason our CZAC interpretation administration down the littlest accentuation mark will be an ideal portrayal of your proposed messages. 24 into 7 offshoring.com is accessible 24 into 7 per day for a live visit, or you can get a free statement right now on the top menu. We ensure that you will be given the most flawlessly awesome cost by gifted interpreters without forfeiting the solitary piece value or time. Our interpreters are all edited by the subsequent interpreters to guarantee ideal quality of even the most specialized CZAC interpretation for an expedient turnaround. Also will get the report to you as a quick as effectively you need to us. For more detail, you can visit to our company website, that is www.24x7offshoring.com. I hope this information is beneficial for you. If it is so, then don't forget to subscribe on the click button and subscribe our channel. Till then, take care and bye bye. We'll meet you very soon with the interesting topic again.